Imagine being able to start an online business with zero money, no experience, and nothing but a free tool in your hands. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'll show you exactly how you can use the power of ChatGPT and Pinterest to start building an income stream from scratch, even if you're starting with nothing. This step-by-step guide will reveal practical strategies, smart tips, and real methods that anyone can follow to turn their ideas into cash. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because this channel is all about giving you real ways to make money online without complicated jargon, and you don't want to miss the upcoming videos. 1. Understanding the power of ChatGPT. Before you begin, you must understand what ChatGPT can do for you. It's not just a chatbot, but a tool that creates content, generates ideas, and helps automate tasks that normally take hours. Think of it as your free assistant who works 24/7 without any complaints. Whether you need articles, social media posts, or even product descriptions, ChatGPT can provide them instantly. Many people underestimate how valuable time-saving tools are when building an online business. With ChatGPT, you remove the excuse of not knowing what to write. All you need is to guide it with prompts. 2. Why Pinterest is a goldmine. Pinterest isn't just for recipes and crafts, it's one of the most underrated platforms to drive massive traffic. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, Pinterest is a search engine where people actively look for solutions and ideas. That means your posts have a much longer lifespan compared to other platforms. A pin you post today can bring traffic months or even years later. When combined with ChatGPT-generated content, you can create a powerful flow of traffic to your offers. Millions of people visit Pinterest daily, which means there is a constant pool of potential customers. 3. Creating content that works. The key to earning money with Pinterest is content that solves problems. ChatGPT can help you create blog posts, product reviews, and guides that people are searching for. Instead of guessing what to write, you can research trending topics on Pinterest and use ChatGPT to turn them into articles. Then, you link that content back to Pinterest through engaging pins. The result is a cycle of traffic that grows over time. This type of content works because it's evergreen and continues to bring value long after you published it. 4. Designing eye-catching pins. Pinterest is a visual platform, which means your pins must grab attention instantly. ChatGPT can give you pin title ideas, but you'll need free tools like Canva to design them. The good news is you don't need design skills to create professional-looking pins. Canva offers free templates where you just add text and images. A well-designed pin encourages people to click, and that's where your link brings them to your content or product. The more engaging your pins look, the higher the chances they'll get saved and shared. 5. Affiliate marketing with Pinterest. You don't need your own product to make money. You can promote other people's products through affiliate marketing. With ChatGPT, you can write product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison posts that lead readers to affiliate links. Pinterest allows you to share pins that link directly to those posts. Imagine creating a pin that says "Best Work from Home Tools" and linking it to a blog filled with affiliate links. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning without having to invest any money up front. 6. Building a simple website for free. While you can direct Pinterest users straight to affiliate offers, having a website gives you more control. Don't worry, you don't need coding skills. Free platforms like WordPress or Blogger let you set up websites at no cost. ChatGPT can help you write your homepage, about page, and even blog articles. A simple website works as a hub where your Pinterest traffic lands before going to the affiliate products. This way, you build credibility and increase conversions. A website also allows you to capture emails, giving you long-term connections with your audience. 7. Using ChatGPT for SEO keywords. Traffic is the lifeline of any online business, and SEO keywords play a big role in attracting it. ChatGPT can generate keyword ideas for your blog posts, pin descriptions, and titles. By targeting the right keywords, your content becomes discoverable on both Pinterest and search engines like Google. Instead of guessing what works, you can ask ChatGPT to provide keyword lists based on your niche. This simple step gives your content a better chance to rank higher. 8. Automating content creation. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is automation. You can plan a week's worth of Pinterest pin titles, descriptions, and blog content in just a few hours. That means you don't need to spend every day thinking about what to post. Once you've generated your content, use free scheduling tools like Buffer or Tailwind to publish automatically. Automation gives you freedom because your business keeps running even when you're not online. 9. Growing with analytics and adjustments. Once your pins are live, you must study what works and what doesn't. Pinterest provides analytics that shows which pins get the most clicks, saves, and impressions. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm new ideas based on what's performing best. For example, if a certain style of pin gets more engagement, replicate it with different content. If a topic is trending, expand on it with multiple pins. This constant cycle of testing and improving helps your traffic grow steadily. Data doesn't lie, and with ChatGPT's help, you can quickly turn insights into new strategies. 10. Scaling your earnings. Once you've mastered creating pins, content, and affiliate promotions, the next step is scaling. ChatGPT allows you to expand into different niches by creating content quickly. Pinterest makes it easy to manage multiple boards targeting different audiences. Scaling means you're no longer depending on one product or topic. You diversify your income streams. You can add digital products like ebooks or courses later to increase profits. The beauty of this method is that you start with nothing but can build a business worth thousands over time. And that's how you can start earning money online with ChatGPT and Pinterest, even if you have nothing to begin with. The tools are free, the strategies are simple, and the only thing you need is consistency to put them into action. Remember, success doesn't come from wishing, it comes from starting. And today is the best time to take that first step. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because I'll be sharing even more practical ways to build income streams from scratch, and I don't want you to miss out. Stay focused, stay consistent, and watch how your small efforts grow into big results.